If I knew I was the last person on Earth, I wouldn't even bother. Like, I wouldn't do that. Like, I would just probably not hunt. I'd just give up, I'm sure. Because even if I had a bunch of food and this and that. But because I knew you're a part, you're sharing, it gives you a lot of strength to go through. And having that camera makes it that much more vivid because you're not just going to be sharing a vague memory, but an actual experience.
I think if you're the last person on Earth, you would actually convince yourself. First of all, you don't know for sure. There's always going to be
hope dies last. Yeah,
hope really does die last. You really don't know. You really hope to find. I mean, if like an apocalypse happens, I think your whole life will become about finding the other person.
It would be, and there's a chance. I mean, I guess I'm saying if you knew for some reason you were the last, I wonder if you would. I wonder if that was a thought I had. If I knew I was the last person. Like, because out here I was having a good time, having fun fishing, plenty of food. But like, if I knew I was the last person on Earth, I don't know that I would even bother. But now, if that was for real, would I bother? That's the question.
No. I think if you knew, if somebody, some way you knew for sure, I think your mind will start doubting it. That whoever told you you're the last person, whatever was lying.
Right. The power of hope might be more powerful than I accounted for in that situation.
Also, you might, if you are indeed the last person, you might want to be documenting it for once you die, an alien species comes about. Because whatever happened on Earth is a pretty special thing. And if you're the last one, you might be like the last person to tell the story of what happened. And so that's going to be a way to convince yourself that this is important. And so the days will go by like this, but it would be lonely. Boy, would that be lonely.
It would be. Wow. Maybe delving into the dredges, the depths of
I mean,
something.
There is going to be existential dread. But also, I don't know. I think hope will burn bright. You'll be looking for other humans.
That's, one of the reasons I was looking forward to talking to you. Things I appreciate about you is you're always, not out of naivety, but you're always choose to look at the positive. You know what I mean? And I think that's a powerful mindset to have. I appreciate it.
Yeah. That'd be a pretty cool survival situation, though, if you're the last person on Earth.
If you could share it.
If you could share it. Yeah.